How to see friends you've unfollowed on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see your friends whom you have unfollowed. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Facebook. You're going to head over to facebook.com, and after you're on your Facebook, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now what you need to do after you're here is tap on this drop down button on the top right corner, and there you should see your different options. Now expand on settings and privacy. After you do that, right here you will see different options. Head over to content preferences. Under content preferences, you will see different options. Now what you'll need to do from here is you'll need to tap on Reconnect. Tap on Reconnect, and here you will see people who you have unfollowed. You will see people, groups, and pages in your newsfeed. And yeah, that is basically how you see them. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.